Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight I will show you how we cook our mashed potato here in the house. And it's like that my husband doing our mashed potato here. So you will learn. It's really different from Jollibee mashed potato. It's really different. This one is very simple. I don't know how Jollibee do their mashed potato. But us, this is how we do our mashed potato. And it's just potato, margarine, and if you have butter, you put butter and fresh milk, salt and pepper. Only that one, nothing else. Ayan guys, may mashed potato tayo. Balatan lang natin. This is our potato. We will remove the skin and then we will cut. We will put some water so that the potato will not going into brown. Okay. So that the potato will be cooked very fast. I cut it some small cubes like that, like 6. Yeah. And then we will boil the potato. So we will boil the potato, guys. And then we will check later if it's done. Okay. So ayan guys, luto na ang ating potato. Ayan o. Pagtusok mo, that is done. So I only have here margarine, milk, salt, 1 teaspoon, and black pepper, and this one. I will mash this one now. So now we're putting our we will drain first the water. So that one guys, I already drained the the water. We will just put the black pepper, the salt, and we will add some milk and butter. The milk, I think that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. And then I will just put 1 tablespoon of, like that, the spoon, 1 tablespoon of margarine. My husband already arrived, guys. Now we will mash it. So you mash it, guys. It's you who will mash? Okay, you mash. It's him who will do it. So it needs more milk, or that's okay?
A bit more.
More? A little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're adding some milk, guys. That's okay?
Okay.
Okay, just a little bit. And that's it. Our mashed potato is done. It's very fast, ha? Ayan guys, luto na ang ating mashed potato at try nyo siyang gawin. Ayan, stay positive lang po tayo, inspired people, and yeah, God bless us all always. At saka, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-subscribe, pag-ring the bell. Yan. Thank you so much for subscribing into my channel and ring the notification bell. Yan. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.